Hi everyone! Today we're going to do something very quickly and it's one of our favorites and it's going to be pickles. So I have 1.5 pounds of little pickles. Actually they're cucumbers, not pickles yet, they'll be pickles. So fresh cucumbers. We will need 2 tablespoons of salt. I also have some bay leaves, about 1 head of garlic, and I already separated everything. Some allspice, and you'll see it right here, allspice, and dill. And it's really simple. You will also need hot water, so boiling water. I just boiled it a minute ago, and we're gonna start by adding salt first. So this is teaspoons. One more. I think that will do. Okay. And now I'm going to add all of our bay leaves and garlic, as well as allspice. Just pour it all in, and dill. Very simple, like I said. And next step, put all these cucumbers in your vessel. There we go. So you can see that all of them are in there. I don't know if I mentioned I had about 1.5 pounds of fresh cucumbers, and now I will just pour hot water over this. You want to make sure that you cover all of them in the liquid. So our cucumbers are submerged under the hot water, which I just finished putting in there, and all of the spices are in. Now we want to make sure that they stay underwater, so you have to put something heavy that will keep them in there. I have this piece that is actually, it fits great, so I'm gonna put it in here. Just cover it and let it stand. So now we're gonna wait about 2 to 3 days, and these will be ready and delicious. And I promise you, because I've done it a few times already. Okay, bye!